This is my rabbit Oliver, and I was wondering if Reddit or YouTube could help me figure out which breed he is exactly, because I'm not sure, because I got him from my niece and they got him from someone else, so they don't know what breed he is exactly, and neither do I, but I'm sure there's some rabbit experts out there who could probably tell me what kind of lop this little fella is. From what I've seen, I think he might be a Holland lop, but I'm not exactly sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna record him eating a carrot, and you can tell me. So it'd be greatly appreciated if you could help me out. Nom nom nom. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh shit. Rabbits are too cute. What'd you hear, buddy? Love it when they lick their lips. Where you going? Hey, finish your carrot. Ouch. Hey. Come on. You want to eat this? Nope. Alright, you're done. Give the camera a kiss. Or don't.